What's up YouTube? Drew here from Pellicars, and I got another quick tip for you. Now, this is for you that are subscribed to the channel. If somehow you stumbled on this video without being subscribed to the channel and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. What we're doing here, this is the rear wheel bearing on a 2008 Toyota Tundra. And there's a lot of setups like this. Whenever you're using one of these presses, be super careful. But what I wanted to show you guys is I was running crazy like a chicken with my head cut off at one point, trying to find something to go around this to press that collar on because these bolts are higher than it. So I needed a way to put the force from the press through something and then to that collar. And then I thought to myself, you got something that's just the right size. For all of us who have cold chiseled or used a cutoff wheel carefully so you don't nick your shaft, for those of us who have done that, we know that if we slit a bearing most of the way and then finish it with a cold chisel or chisel it from the beginning, whatever, once the bearing is compromised through, or the race I should say, it's easy to just pop it right off. Well, so I took a race that was from this Tundra, from this job, cut it through, pressed it on. Of course, it got stuck, but then all I did was take my screwdriver, put it in the slit, go bink, and it popped right off. So this is just a quick tip. It applies to every single bearing job in the world, I have to imagine, that a race will easily slide up and down on a shaft it just pressed onto if it has a slit in it. So anyways, hopefully this is helpful. Hey, subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being part of the channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. We're trying to build our channel. For those of you that are seeing this, again, that are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. We try to bring you guys some helpful tips and some cool content. Thanks.